thank you so much, ma'am, for being here and being a part of the expo. Could you please tell us about your company, your name, and the products and services that you have?
Yeah, see, our company name is Control Print Limited, and I'm Heena Mistry, and I look after marketing across India. And we are the only manufacturers of industrial printers which are used for coding and marking. And we have offices across India with 2 factories in Himachal and Guwahati. So we manufacture our own printers and our own consumables.
Well, I congratulate you for doing this. I hope you have new products and services because the industry is craving for you guys. Well, ma'am, what do you think? How was the pandemic for you guys, and what has been the growth post-pandemic in the industry?
Pandemic was good for us because we didn't stop working. We were working from home like 24/7 because our industry is that it's coding and marking, and each and every product which comes out from the factory needs a coding on it. So we were on full pandemic, and post-pandemic also this is my, I think, 5th or 6th exhibition.
Wow.
So yeah, we are doing great. And one more initiative we had taken during pandemic, that we have started manufacturing masks. Also, like, we manufacture surgical and as well as N95 masks in our Himachal Pradesh factory. So that also we have started along with our existing business.
Well, you're one of those least, out of those small bunch of people who are really positive about the pandemic. So I give you 2 thumbs up for that. Well, ma'am, now industry is growing. There's automation which has come. What do you think about it, especially automation coming in the packaging segment? How is it helping?
See, for us, nothing matters because now as per the government rule that each and every product which leaves the factory should have the manufacturing date, expiry date, and the batch code number.
Yes.
Like even the smallest product, even the smallest vendor, they should have that printed. So it's a very good positive side for us.
And what are your suggestions? How can we take this industry global?
Global, yeah, it is global, like everywhere this is required only. So it is like, as far as our industry is concerned and our product is concerned, it is global.
It is global. And what are your thoughts about the 4th edition of the World Mithai Namkeen Expo in Jaipur?
Frankly speaking, this is the first time I have participated in this expo. Previously, I used to participate with Priya in Ice Cream Expo, which before pandemic I had participated in Delhi.
Right.
And this is the first time I have participated over here, and yeah, there is a very good response. 2 days were very good. We are like good leads, good person coming, and the top level guys coming to visit the expo. So we are happy for that, and it is a good response for us.
Well, I wish you luck and success. Keep on doing the wonderful work you're doing, and stay with us for years and years to come. Thank you so much.
Yes, sure. Thank you.